what we witnessed here tonight is putting in the final piece. A momentous moment for the project, and we're at a point where we now have the whole 4 kilometres of the SkyTrain in place. Every one of the 4,600 workers that have been working on this job tirelessly day and night can be very proud. And as the leader of the team that has been putting this together for the last 3 years, all I can say is it's just another awesome moment, a moment that we can remember and something that we can look back on when we see trains running here every 4 minutes.